Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new three earning website. By using these websites you can earn a lot of crypto very easily in these websites. First website is name is coinbase.xyz. Here I am going to show you withdraw proof of this website and I am tell you that how can you create more and more coins to make more crypto on daily basis. Here we got faucet. These will ready after every 5 minutes. You can claim these faucets very easily after every 5 minutes. We have daily bonuses. You have to come here on this website to get your daily bonuses on this website. We have another option that is called PTC. You can get 20 PTC on this website every after every 24 hours. We have short links. You can get almost 39 short links on daily basis. If you can complete all short links, these short links, you can earn a lot of crypto on this website. Now I am going to take withdraw of these 2084 coins, which is equal to 125. Now I want to take withdraw in Litecoin, so I click on LTC and I will get 36,000 from this website and click on withdraw. Here I am going to select my Faucet Pay account and select the currency you want to take withdraw Litecoin. I already put my Tron wallet Litecoin wallet address here and click on withdraw and I will show you proof of this website MVB. I am going to show my that my MVB that's okay. I am going to take withdraw confirm and I will show you proof of this withdraw is instant. I got has been sent to your account almost 2082 coins. Okay, now I come in my Faucet Pay account and click on overview. Here I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach it without wasting any time. And here you can see I got almost 336,127 Litecoin in my Faucet Pay account. Now we have another website. Here you can see I put my data and fill up the captcha and click on login button. You have to come here on after every 1 minutes, then you can claim up to 50 coins from this website. Now we have another option that is called short links. You have to click here manual faucets and here you can see you have to fill up all these antibody links 564 and fill up this captcha to claim 50 coins from this website. And now you can see 50 coins as added and after every 1 minute I can claim these 50 coins very easily. Now here you can see we have another option that is called short links. If you can complete these short links you can get 80 coins and 100 energy. You can use energy to get more and more achievements here and you will earn reward coins. Now I am going to show you withdraw proof of this website and here I select Faucet Pay account and I am going to select Litecoin here and you can see I have 2,273 Litecoin coins in my account and I can get almost 6,809 Litecoin in my account Faucet Pay account. Now I click on withdraw button and here you can see I got 6,819 Satoshi in my Faucet Pay account. Now I came here and refresh my account and here you can see I got 6,819 Litecoin in my Faucet Pay account. You can also check data of this website. Now we have another option that is called clicksdodge.com. I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here. You just need a Dogecoin wallet address to earn more from these websites. Now I am going to take withdraw from these Dogecoin. I am going to take withdraw in my Faucet Pay account. Click on withdraw button, and here you can see send Dogecoin, send to Faucet Pay account. I click here to send my Dogecoin in my Faucet Pay account, and here you can see I again going to, and here you can see from clicks Doge I got almost about 0.02 Dogecoin, which is normal payment, and you can also check dates. All these websites you can get more and more, earn more and more from these websites. And I am going to show you ClicksDoge, how to work on clicksdoge.com. And you have to click here claim now, and you have to fill up the captcha and click on claim. Here you can see I got almost 0.001, and click on refresh button. The amount will be added in my Doge wallet address. Now you can also buy wallet address by using Dogecoin to get more and more Doge from this website. If you can spend up to 999 Dogecoin spend on it, you can earn 2 Dogecoin after every 5 minutes. If you can spend 1500 Dogecoin on this website, you can get 50 Dogecoin after every claim. After every 5 minutes you can claim Dogecoin. And now I am going to take withdraw of these Dogecoin. Click on withdraw button and send to my Faucet Pay account. Now I am going to show you withdraw proof of this, and again refresh my account, and you can see here again I got 0.001. Friend, these three website is very real and earning website. You can earn more and more from these websites. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button, and please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future. I will bring more video for future for all of you. And please, if you have any curious question, you can ask me in the comment section.